Hi everyone, this is Beekeeper Charlotte coming to you from Carolina Honeybees Farm. It's rather chilly and breezy today in South Carolina. I've spent the morning in town doing errands. After completing these errands, I had plans to come home and work on my beekeeping book. However, my honeybees had plans of their own. Way up in the cedar tree, we have a medium-sized swarm of bees. Since they are in a place that has a lot of branches, I'm not sure I can get them, but I'm a beekeeper, so I have to try. Well, here we sit, exhausted, proving once again that you don't have to be crazy to be a beekeeper, but it doesn't hurt. I was able to get these girls down out of that thick tree, and I do have a queen inside. They will spend some time in this small hive box, especially because it's going to be cool tonight and tomorrow. And we will see what happens. Maybe they will grow into a full-size hive and make some sourwood honey this year. Or they may decide they don't like it and leave. You just can't tell with bees. I hope you're having a great day with whatever you're doing today. This is Beekeeper Charlotte from Carolina Honeybees Farm.